Hi guys! Today we will teach you how to make frosting. Frosting is a sweet, often creamy glaze made of sugar with a liquid, such as water or milk, that is often enriched with ingredients like butter, egg whites, cream cheese, or flavorings. It is used to cover or decorate baked goods, such as cakes or cookies. Difference between icing is generally used to glaze pastries or cakes, and tastes more sugary than frosting. Icing is generally thinner and glossier, while its counterpart frosting is a thick, fluffy mixture, used to coat the outside of a cake. When considering the many different types of frostings there are for cakes, cupcakes, and other baked goods, you can think about them in 6 broad categories: buttercream frosting, cooked frosting, whipped cream frosting, royal icing, ganaches, and glazes. Buttercream is the most popular type of frosting largely because of its few ingredients and easy application. Classic buttercream requires beating butter into icing sugar until you reach a frosting consistency. It's not possible to overbeat this type of frosting, so the longer you beat the fluffier it gets. Vanilla buttercream frosting. Ingredients: 1 cup 230 grams unsalted butter, softened to room temperature. 3 cups 360 grams powdered sugar. 2 to 3 tablespoons heavy cream or whole milk. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Pinch of salt adjust to taste. Instructions. In the bowl of a stand mixer fitted with the paddle attachment, or in a large mixing bowl using an electric mixer, beat the butter on medium speed until smooth. Add in the powdered sugar and mix on low speed at first, then increase to medium speed and continue mixing for another 1 to 2 minutes until the mixture starts to come together. Add in the heavy cream, start with 2 tablespoons and add a little more if needed, vanilla extract, and salt, and continue mixing on medium-high speed for another minute or until everything is well combined, scraping down the sides of the bowl as needed. Frosting can be made 1 to 2 days in advance. Cover tightly and transfer to the refrigerator. Remove from the refrigerator and bring to room temperature before frosting cupcakes or cakes. Frosting will also freeze well for 2 to 3 months. Thaw overnight in the refrigerator, then bring to room temperature and mix well before frosting cupcakes or cakes. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like and subscribe. Also hit the bell button so that you will be notified once we upload a new video. Thank you for watching.